Navigate system. We all have access to this. So not a whole lot of people know how to use it. So I thought that this would be a great program to introduce to everyone. You can find JSU information about JSU Navigate on JSU's main webpage. All you have to do is type in Navigate. As you can see, it's jsu.edu/navigate. And it tells you a little bit of information on this website about the different things that you can do. There's also some different links that you can link on to as well. Most of us can access this through our MyJSU. You can, under employee links, JSU Navigate, you can click on it. And then it will take you to one of different pages. There are different roles for different people here at JSU. Most of all of us will have staff role. You will also have, if you are a teacher, if you teach here at JSU, you will also have professor home. And one of the great things that I like about the professor home is that you can contact your students directly. As you can see over here at the class listing, it will give you a list of the courses that you are currently teaching, the times, the room numbers, and things like that. You can upload assignments to this website so that students have access to it. You can also do progress reports. And it'll also tell you the list of students that are in your courses for each semester. One of the great things that I like I said, is that with the class, you can actually do class attendance. What you would need to do is click on one of the courses that you are teaching. I am going to click on one that is not, shouldn't have any students in it. But once you are here, you can click on the date. If there's a specific date that you want to do a class attendance for, you can click on it and it will take you to that person or to that class, and then you can mark that mark people absent, tardy, present, whichever one is going to be used for that student, and then you save attendance. Now when you save attendance, anybody that was absent that day will immediately get an email stating that they were absent that day. And I find that this is really helpful with students. If they are being sent reminders, oh, somebody's checking on me, I can do, I need to get to class, I need to do this. So it's really good for doing things like that. You can also meet with students. And one of the ways that you can do that is setting up your availability is the first thing you need to do. Under actions, you're going to add time. The days that you are available, you'll need to click on those. And from what time. It's very important to be very specific, because sometimes students will come here and they may not see your availability. So it's always really a good idea to do. So you set up your days and time. How long is this availability? It'll give you a range of dates. You can do forever, or you can do specifically semester by semester. And what kind of availability are you open? Are you available for appointments, for drop-ins, or campaigns? I'm going to do appointments. I have already got and it's I'm JSU Advising. So we're going to set up my area and then save. Now, once you have this time inputted in, students who are looking to meet with you can come to Navigate, and they can actually see your availability, and they can actually set up an appointment with you by just clicking on schedule a general event or an appointment. It's a really great way to meet with students. Okay, you can also send students an email. I'm going to, by typing in a student's name, you will get a list of students with that name. And then right here, if the student, under send a message, if the student has the phone number attached to their account, it's really easy to send them, and you can either send them an email or send them a text. Now, when you're sending a text, remember that you only have 160 characters that you can send. So make sure that you are keeping it very short to what you need. Okay. Or what I like about it as well is that you can, if you are the instructor, you can actually send them a text message, and they'll know right from the beginning which class that you are referring them to. And then you can just send that message. Like I said, you can also send an email. And it's really, like I say, it's a really great way to keep in tabs with the students. Another great thing about Navigate is the calendar. You can actually click on the current page calendar, and it's going to show you after your availability. It'll also show you your courses. This is also good for students because students will see the courses that they're in, so that they will know what days and times that they are meeting. There are some advanced searches that you can do if you are, especially if you're in administration. You can do look for students with specific names, IDs, category like freshman, sophomore, junior or senior, students who are getting ready to graduate. If they are assigned to a specific advisor, you can look through that as well. There are so many different ways that you can use this program. Reminders, you can set up reminders that will send you notification if you have an upcoming meeting, classes, or even assignments that are due. You can input that here, and you will have all of that information at your fingertips. I really do love using Navigate for many reasons. Like I said, as a faculty, I love doing the doing the class attendance. I like being able to send my students a direct text or email so that they get information. There is a great way to put an alert. If a student is in trouble, you can issue an alert for that student, whether it be academically, missing classes, or any other reason. You can put on if you're worried about a student's mental or physical health, there is a link that you can put on there to issue an alert for that, and it will go to somebody specific over in DSS or in counseling services, and they will reach out to that student to offer them help. So it's a really great system. If you haven't used it, I highly recommend going in and kind of playing around with it to make sure that you know how to use it. And I promise you, you won't regret it.